8:15 in the morning. And we realized we hadn't given you guys a room tour yet, so we are staying here at Saratoga Springs till today, exactly. So let's take a look and show you how everything. As soon as you walk in, because this is a DVC resort, you do have the DVC amenities, like a nice little kitchenette, complete with coffee maker, microwave. They have paper towels. They do have, because of COVID, usually they have reusable Tupperware and cups and everything, but due to COVID, they have single-use paper cups and everything. This door is super annoying, but we do have the vanity.
Yeah, that's like the one annoying thing.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's really nice with that door.
Nice bathroom, as you can see here. The shower and the tub is really good. Nice tiling. I really liked it. Moving forward, we see a wild Eliza working on getting ready for the day. The artwork here is super cute. I believe the horse is the horse from Ichabod Crane. I'm not positive, but like it works really well with the whole Saratoga Springs theme that this resort has. Really, really nice kind of faux marble countertops, which I like. And the other big thing, just like every other one of these upgraded rooms, yes, this is a refurbished room, they have plenty of outlets. There are 4 outlets near either side of the bed, in addition to a nightstand, which not a lot of hotels give you. It's usually one person gets the nightstand and the other one doesn't, and I hate that. So I'm so happy that they have them here. Lots and lots of outlets. Again, another 4 outlets on either side here.
Yeah, Chris hates it because it's always him who gets the nightstand, and then I have to ask him 8,000 times to plug my stuff in.
No, I don't. You get the nightstand sometimes. We're also here on the first floor, so you can take a look at the view we had. Not bad view. This opens up, so we had a nice little, I guess patio is kind of what you would call it.
Yeah, we used it a few times.
Yeah, and finally, of course, all these rooms are 2-bedroom because of...
Not 2 bedrooms, 2 beds.
2 beds, I'm sorry. 2 beds because of the Murphy bed. And as you can see right here, this is the photo that they have in their Murphy bed. Really cute. Couple hidden Mickeys. Not so hidden. But it's, again, really cute. I'm not quite sure whose horses these ones are.
Are they from, I don't know.
I'm not sure. But if you know who they are, let us know in the comments down below.
We're here. The Magic Kingdom.
If you guys ever want to see a grown woman cry, it's about to happen.
Yeah, just give it 5 seconds.
Orangeburg.
Oh, that's cute. That's new. Oh my god, I can't believe we're finally here.
Oh, wait times still aren't that bad.
Here we go.
Oh, wow. We've seen it in video. We've seen it driving by.
It's beautiful.
But seeing
I like it.
in person is a whole other story.
I think it looks good.
It really does.
I like the little whirly
I
things.
like the gold accents.
Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for.
I believe the technical term is swirly things.
The whirlies. Goodness, there are a lot of people coming in the park right now.
Yeah.
It's that time, yeah.
Not going to be accurate in like 5 minutes.
Nah. It's okay though. We have all day and Friday.
Plenty of time.
Hello, Chris.
Hello, Lisa.
Where are we?
We are at the Skipper Canteen. We have had a very eventful day.
Thank you.
We've had a very eventful day. We got here. We rode on 7 doors.
No, it'll take us hours to talk about everything we did. Let's eat first.
We're gonna eat because we're at Skipper Canteen.
Oh yes.
I got the hearty heart char soup pork.
That looks so good. I can't wait to eat that. And I got the taste like chicken because it is chicken. So I'll let you guys know how they are once we start. Okay, Chris took his first bite. What do you think?
It's really good.
Really?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Some good flavors. It's pork, obviously. The sauce is kind of sweet. There's a lot of savory flavors in here. It's hard to describe it. It's very, very Asian inspired.
It sounds good.
It tastes really good.
Okay, so I tried the chicken, and I don't know how to describe it, but it's really good. It's almost like a peanutty crunch, would you say?
A little, yeah. It's almost a tempura crunch.
Yeah. It's really, really good. So I would highly recommend. And the rice is good, and the veggies are good. I love water chestnuts, and there's a ton of them. And Chris has bok choy on his, which is, I love bok choy also. I'll just eat all the veggies. He'll eat the meat.
It's so funny. Like, I never thought about going to Skipper Canteen before. You know what I mean? Like, this is the first time we've ever been here, and we've come here how many times? And we're always like, we need to find something new in Magic Kingdom. We have to try something new here. And I'm so upset that we haven't tried this before. You know what I mean?
We're here.
I know.
Chris is very happy because he has a citrus swirl. Here you go, baby.
This is the best thing in Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
Bar none.
Yep.
Some people will tell you need to get a Dole Whip. Most people are fairly accurate, but this is really what you need to get.
A citrus swirl. Yum. My favorite part of the ride is this hippo. I love the way she blinks. I also love that rhino back there. You like the rhino? Chris, are you ready? We're gonna be in here a while. We just bumped the boats in front of us.
Merida. The old Royal Cooper Scooper.
Big horse.
Yeah, that horse is massive. Ariel. And Princess Tiana. And Jasmine is back there.
She is.
Thank you.
Mulan.
Miss Mulan's here now. Elena. Thank you. Cinderella.
Oh, Rapunzel.
Punzi.
The fairy godmother.
Yes, yes.
Look at this castle. Beautiful. What did we find, Christopher? Ew. COVID. Ah.
We found my allergies.
Yes, we did.
We found a Steamboat Mini.
Yay! To go with our Steamboat Mickey. These came out right near the end of our annual pass, and we never got to find them.
Yeah.
And then, you know what happened, everyone knows. And then we found it. And there's Chris rocking his brand new sunglasses.
I know. It got really bright and shiny right before the cavalcade of princesses came out.
Yes, so Chris put those on. And now we are leaving the park. We got so much done today. We'll talk about that later.
Yeah, oh my
We are
God.
headed to our new home, the Riviera.
Oh, so excited to go
Okay,
back.
we're at the Riviera. Room tour to come after. You won't see me because I don't have pants on. And look what's on the TV. Welcome to us. I'm so excited.
I love it.
I love the Riviera. Okay. Perfect. Woo. Not gonna lie, I always feel like I'm gonna fall when I step into this.
Oh, Monsters Inc.
Oh, they do. They come very close. Here we go.
Here we go. Well, they really don't have a lot of characters because they have Naveen and Tiana on there twice, but once it's humans and once it's dogs.
Yay!
I like how they're currently only doing one family per car.
You know, it's nice.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to
There's Epcot. There's the spaceship Earth.
Ladies and gentlemen,
America
we invite you to sit back, relax.
Okay, yes, I wasn't talking about that. I was talking about that spike.
Magical flight on Earth.
Not that. Oh yeah, I know that's America. So that must be Italy, actually.
Yeah, that's not Britain. That's not Big Ben.
Yeah. Beautiful. And there's Tower of Terror over there.
All which we can see from our room.
Yes.
I love these cups. They're so cute.
Those are cute. Chris is having coffee, and his cup has
We are now
Mickey's
traveling
embossed
along
on it.
Buena Vista Drive. This roadway and the city of Lake Buena Vista were established in 1969 when Walt Disney World Resort was first being developed. They are both named after Buena Vista Street in Burbank, California, where the Walt Disney Company headquarters are still located today.
Galaxy's Edge.
Oh yeah, and the Chinese theater.
Yep, all those rocks right there. That's Galaxy's Edge. Oh yeah, there's the parking lot. Oh goodness, I didn't realize how much of Hollywood Studios you can see.
Yeah.
Tower of Terror. And then over here, Swan and Dolphin, and that's the boardwalk, I believe.
Yep.
Yes, and Yacht Beach is across it. My, I didn't realize how much of the two you could see.
Yeah.
We are coming in. And over here is the new France expansion. That's the Ratatouille show building. And we're coming around. Oh, it looks so good. I love like the crooked chimneys. And there's Gusteau's Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. Right there. And the Gusteau sign is up there.
To all who come to
Remember when it
display the
didn't
joy,
look like
hope,
this?
I know. And there's the Eiffel Tower. Ooh, we need to come back here, Chris, because this part's open.
Yeah, no, I'm in.
And this part's all closed. You can see where the, oh, you can't see enough here, but there we go. That's where the construction walls are. So it looks done though. Like,
It's mostly done.
it looks done. I heard that
The bathroom's open, right?
yes. Oh, no, it's on France. In Italy, the gelato stand's supposed to open in May.
Oh, that's exciting. There's a gelato stand?
Yeah.
I didn't know about
Gusteau's. There it is. I can't wait to ride this. I'm so excited.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of
I like how they named them after all different types of chicken. I thought that was screwed up, and also.
Come here, Dolphin. Come here.
Yeah. Do they only have two? Oh, there's three.
There's three? Oh my god! Oh. I want to swim with dolphins really bad.
Discovery Cove.
I know. I know. I feel like I'd freak out though, actually.
Probably would. I know I would. They're big and strong and powerful. And you're in their domain.
Yep. Ain't nothing you can do about it.
I'm always like, what is there if it's
Imagination is the brain to an
like a couple like PSA commercials or something like that.
Imagination is just telling you upside down.
I want the cookie jar. Right?
Me. Want them in the fridge.
With the wallpaper, with the tea kettle.
So, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast. Imagination, a dream can be a dream come true. With just that spark from me and you.
Look, it's Imagination Land.
Isn't that cool?
Vanellope. I did a bad thing. I burned my feet.
Aw, Lisa.
Oh, it hurts really bad.
So, what do we got today?
Besides that, after oh, I got a real red mark on my nose. After 3 flowering gardens, I finally have the Violet lemonade. Here, would you like my edible flower?
No, I'm all set with that. But thank you, though.
I'm gonna try it.
There were a couple things in here that the other one didn't have.
Oh, this is
so
good.
The garden thing
It's
that's
like-
going on right now, they had a bunch of merch for that.
It's like lemonade, but flowery and tart and delicious. You wanna try it?
Sure. Mmm.
Isn't it good?
It's like florally.
It's really good.
We also got a Wicked Weed wheat beer with mango, pineapple, and guava. So as you...
It's not good. I already had it.
Guava is delicious. I love all things guava, essentially, so I hope I like it. Yeah, it's pretty good.
It is. It just tastes like beer, and I don't like beer.
You don't like beer.
I'm putting the coldness from my drink on my foot.